What's up, guys? It's John Mascarello from Side Hustle Experiment. I hope you had a great weekend. If you're new to the channel, I am a six-figure Amazon seller. I mainly sell books and media. Today on the channel, I'm going to be talking about what a great Monday today was. IPI scores went up, how to find a dud buyer, and just some other stuff that went on today to share. So we'll start with, I guess, the IPI score. So supposedly a lot of people's IPI scores went up today. I know mine went up 800 on my main account. On my smaller media account, it stayed the same. No idea why. But yeah, it's really great. Now I can send almost, I think, 2,500 books to Amazon. I'm getting more books tomorrow. I think this is a really great sign from Amazon. But I will say, I would also continue to do what you're doing to, merge fulfill. Don't send crap there, because they're most likely going to do this again if we continue to repeat those habits. So for me, but my first thought was oh, maybe I should go through some of the stuff that I'm merch fulfilling and get that there now that I have more space. But I'm no, you gotta clean it up. Not that I'm sending bad stuff in, but I think we all in our gut know there are some books where we're is that really gonna sell? And we're screw it, we'll give it a chance. And most chances it doesn't, the price tanks, and yeah, you get in a situation where you got a lot of bad inventory there. Now, just think about it. If you're doing bulk, it's probably not as prevalent when you're thrifting, but if you're doing bulk, if you send almost a pallet, a week or 2 pallets a week, I know that's some people's goals, and you decide, and you have I don't know, 4 or 5 boxes of those kind of maybe books on each pallet. Geez, in what, a month? That's probably half a pallet worth of iffy books. So that adds up real quick. That's why a lot of us got into trouble, I think. I don't know. I know for one, I'll admit it, I do send some books where I'm there are no FBA offers. Maybe I'll give it a shot, but yeah, I should have been sending those books. So just be careful with that. Yeah, so that was good. That's promising. I know Rover the Rover is saying that he thinks that Amazon is just going to kind of control, what we can send in, what we can't send in. And just kind of be oh, we need inventory, open the floodgates. Oh, we don't. I didn't have a change in my IPI score today, so I don't know if that means it stayed the same. It just says the last 7 days. Last week they updated on Wednesday, so not really sure. But not sure why they would up them and then lower them if they are planning on changing the IPI score. Not really sure. I almost have a weird feeling that the IPI score is going to go away. They're going to come up with another metric that's tied to how much inventory you can have in the warehouse, but I don't know. That's just a guess. This morning I got $900 for DVDs, CDs, and some video games. My dud buyer came. I will link up to a video. I made a video about how I found this dud buyer, and it's been a really, really great relationship. Bottom line is you can find them on Facebook Marketplace. I just posted a picture saying that I'm looking for a partner to buy DVDs, CDs, and media. And basically this person runs a huge flea market. They reached out and we've been working together for maybe about 6 months. It's awesome. They pay cash. They will take any amount. So I could have, I don't know, 4 or 5 Gaylords and they would take all that. I usually give them 2 at a time. So we meet maybe about once a month. It just really depends on how much media I have. But yeah, I give you basically a script in the video that I created. So definitely check that out. The link will be below. So that was awesome. I got Bill from Sell Back Your Book texted me today. which was awesome. I'm getting about 1,300 bucks from them this week for book duds. So it's that's almost $2,000, guys. Or maybe that's more than $2,000. I don't know. I can't do the math right now. The sun is like right in my eyes. But yeah, that's important. If you're doing bulk, you really need to have ways to monetize duds, not just rely on Amazon. Duds are, I mean, if you can find the right buyers, I mean, you can make a lot of money. I mean, again, like I have someone who's doing kids books, history books. I have a media one. I'd like to get another kid book one, and I'm gonna really start to put some more attention on that. So yeah, and today was a pretty good day as well. I got a lot done. I got about $2,200 worth of eBay stuff listed. A majority bulk of that is a Dr. Seuss book lot, which was listed for $249. Trying something new with that. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. If not, I'll just drop the price, no big deal. And then I posted 95 video games for I think 300 bucks. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I usually give the video games to my dud buyer, but I was looking up comps the other day for like bulk lots, and I usually give them to him for 50 cents. So if these sell, I'm gonna be kind of pissed about that, but whatever. It is a lot of legwork to collect all those. I mean, this is probably about 1 or 2 months worth, so I don't know. It could be a lot more money. Like I would have got what, 50 bucks for them for him. Again, that's instant cash. I don't have to open the cases. I don't have to like look at the discs. He doesn't care. That's why they're so cheap. So I don't know, we'll see what happens there. Tomorrow more books are coming, the helper's coming. I started ticketing for Merchant Fulfilled today, so I think I have maybe 40 or 50 listings that have tickets. I am up to, I think, 400 listings now, Merchant Fulfilled. 200 of those are probably older. They're like really, really long tail ones. I think my plan for those books is to basically deactivate all of them, rescan them. I've probably had those for, well, not all of them, but it's probably some of them have been there for a year. Who knows if they're even still profitable. But I feel like instead of just like looking up them on Amazon, it would just be easier to pull them all down, rescan through them, see what buyback companies are taking them, and then go from there. But yeah, it was a pretty solid day. Yeah, I mean, it was a good day. I'm trying to think what I have for you guys. Yeah, I would say big takeaway from the day, really, really try hard to find a dud buyer for stuff that you can't sell. eBay is also, that's another takeaway, right? Like monetizing on eBay. Will all that stuff sell for $2,200? Probably not. But I would guess that I probably will get like at least $1,500 to $1,800. I mean, and again, this is stuff that I can't sell on Amazon because it's not worth it. You can't really lot stuff up on Amazon, like random books. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Everything is scheduled out to be posted in the next week or two. I like to schedule my listings just because I think it's good for the eBay algorithm. They like when stuff's posted daily. I did try, I think it was 2 weeks ago, or I don't know, maybe it was in April, posting everything at once. My sales were horrible that month. I mean, it might not be related, I don't know. But what I do know is it works for me, scheduling them out. Again, this is extra money, or that's how I view it, really. So like to schedule them out as, you know, over 2 weeks. It's not like I'm like, I need the money. So that's what I'm doing with that. And then yeah, tomorrow should be good. The helper's coming. I got a ton done today. So I'm excited to have him tomorrow. I think he might scan the books by himself, and I'm gonna do OA, or at least we'll start that for the day. Another thing, I have like $800 worth of new equipment coming tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. It's really important to reinvest in your business. I'm getting a new computer, which will be primarily used for the scanning book table. This way, the helper has their own computer. They might actually be doing like eBay stuff in there. Right now, we're using a Mac, and that just has like a lot of stuff on it. I mean, we only use the program with it, but yeah, I wouldn't want him to like be using that computer because there's just a lot of stuff that's cooking in there. So this is basically going to be like his computer. So we'll see. So that's coming. I got a cart to put books in. I got a like a basket, a push basket, that will be putting good books in. We're just carrying too much stuff around. We're putting stuff in like these black buckets and like carrying them around, and they're heavy, and it's just really not good. So I got another cart. It's like a 2-tier shelf. I just got that today. I love it. It's I got a 3-tier cart maybe a month or two ago. It's so easy to put together. You basically just like pop the wheels in, put these like little not little but posts in, and then put the top on. You can literally put it together in 5 minutes. It's amazing. What else did I order? I can't even remember, but all this stuff is going to be used to help us, you know, move faster. Oh, I ordered a lot of also packing stuff for Merchant Fulfilled, a cart to organize all this stuff. I feel like we're just putting like pens down, post-its down, like stuff is just everywhere. So it's time to really clean this up and stop like looking for things. And so that is exciting. So I'll put some of that stuff together. But yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes. Have him do the Gaylord by himself. Obviously, I'll be out there if he has any questions, and setting up some of the new stuff I get. So that will be exciting. And yeah, I hope you guys had a great weekend. We're productive, got a lot done. I had a good Monday. I would love to have more Mondays like this. Just a really good day after coming off of a not so great week. So another thing, you just gotta stick with it, guys. It just seems like things are starting to come together now. Last week was kind of blah, but now I have my plan in place. You know, sticking with books. Might revisit looking for a new supplier for that, but I really do want to focus on OA. The lister is back this week, so that will also help me. So yeah, it's gonna be a good week, knock on wood, and if not, I'm just gonna make the best of it. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It means a lot, and I will talk to you guys soon.